Hello, everybody. Here we are in Brussels. This hotel is called Novotel Off Grand Place, and we are here at a buffet breakfast this morning. Look at the breads. Look at the wonderful choice of breads. Yes. Okay, for some breads, a great choice. Different buns, breads, and croissants too. And you could even get some toast and slice it and dice it. Oh, this chocolate stuff, I didn't try anything. That was what I was talking about, toast. Oh, wow, what's that woman? Oh, never mind. Okay, next, let's see what. Cereal. If you're a cereal kind of person, should be enough cereal for breakfast with the milk. I'm not really a cereal type of person for breakfast. Yogurts. If you're a yogurt type of person, all in the glass jugs as well. Neither am I a yogurt type of person. Juices, neither am I a juice type of person because they're full of sugars. Never mind fruits. Yeah, maybe whole fruits, some kind of biscuits and jams. Well, by now you probably realize that I'm more the hot food type of person. Now this is the most exciting part of the breakfast. You can see it's a pancake machine. Self-service, of course. Buffet style. There's a syrup. You just pour a bit of it to cover the pancake machine, close it, and wait for it to cook. And usually I pour too much, and lots of this pancake will drip out of the sides. I'm sorry about that, but you can see all the pieces of paper below, which they have put there so that you can, and not make a mess. Oh yeah, so here the hot food selection, not too much, but good enough. I mean, breakfast, you don't really that much stuff like eggs and bacon and sausages. They all have it. The only problem was a little bit cold, they didn't keep it warm enough, but never mind. Fruits, fresh fruits, diced fruits. I'll show you whole fruits now. Oh yes, cold cuts. Always a favorite. Meats to go with the toast and the hot bread, and cheeses and jams. We are here at the Novotel Off Grand Place. Oh, of course, most important, the coffee. Without good coffee, how do you start the day, right? So they had a couple of coffee machines, well, at least one. And teas, usually don't take tea, but coffee was good. Oh, second round of pancake making, I thought. Yes, I had one already. Or maybe this was for me and the early one for the kids. Not sure, but good fun. The pancakes were really nice. Yeah, they turned out really well. As expected, since Belgium is the land of pancakes and fries, apparently so. But since we had pancakes in the hotel, we didn't really go get it outside anymore. Yes, coffee. Yes, showing you the machine. More pancake. Oh yeah, look at that, golden brown. My breakfast. Yeah, breakfast. Before we start the day. Oh, it's a very nice hotel off Grand Place. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.